that is why I felt that PM, or I trust PM, because he will tell you this, he will do it. He will tell you that no, we are working on this, meaning that he don't have it yet. Not that today I spoke with Donald Trump, and Trump told me, you know what, go on my just make sure your people are behind you. PM have not come out and said something like that. CS have not done the same thing. A man who claimed that he spoke with PM3 for 30 minutes. Do you understand that kind of lie? That does not mean that I want you to see him as devil. What I want to see is that is promising you, that he's not capable of giving you that. Because even if he gives you that, he give you the fake one. Because it will end up be like the country that you want to live, you want to distance yourself from, which is Nigeria. So Nigeria is not something that you can be proud of, isn't it? Even the so-called leaders are not proud of it. That's why they're running from country to country, looking for medical health care, looking for a way, going for holidays, sending their children outside the country to study. If they are proud of the country, why are they going outside the country? Most of you living abroad, you can tell. Have you seen breaking news in your country where you are residing that the prime minister or president of the country where you are living at the moment in abroad travel to Kenya for medical checkup? Have you seen that? Never, right? So you as an African person, as a Nigerian or as a Biafran, don't you think something is wrong from where you come from? That should give you signal. Now, back to why is Ocha. Many of you don't understand that PM actually understands this woman better than almost everybody. PM know her very, very, very well. Very, very, very well. That's why PM calm down, advise her outside the camera, without anybody hearing it. PM said, I gave her advice. I warned her. The issue of warning starts with advice. Nobody will just come to you and warn you without advising you. Don't do this, it's not good. Don't do that. That's advice. You may see it as a warning. It becomes a warning when you refuse to key into the advice. PM said more than 10 times. Now, imagine somebody like that claims that she's afraid of PM and somehow she loves PM. Gave you advice or warning, first one, second one, third one, until 10. PM said more than. Even if it's 5 times alone, that like only 5 times. Is it not enough for you to rethink? Now PM is not here. The woman have the audacity to on her camera and told us on a video that that all this that she was doing all this while is nothing. That now she's now you see what she's made of. That she's not going to show you the reason why she joined the struggle. Ndị Ogbunigwe, somebody who have a mind to maybe in Imahia or maybe in school, and somehow they are being caught with that. Not that they catch them in the act of Itobenigwe, but they are being, you suspect them. They are being some maybe the security agent or security department in that place somehow suspect their movement and call them for questioning. What is your name? My name is Abdul Karim. Okay, where did you study? I studied in Afghanistan. My age is 21 years. You know that, where have you traveled to? I have traveled to Yemen. I have traveled. Then you begin to suspect that that's security intelligence. You begin to suspect, right? Now, the people like that, what they do if they're being caught, and that's why it's such a deep. That's why I'm saying what I'm saying now. They will never ever, use high voice. They will always calm down to answer those questions. Why? Because the mission has not been achieved. They want to see them as a calm person, as a nice guy, until the time to, release the main issue, the main thing that they want to do will come. They will never ever come out and say, okay, yeah, yes, I'm here to do this. No, because they know if they do that, they will end up in prison. What they will do, they will pretend. Something that ordinarily they will not take. They will calm down, and after the end, they will tell you, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I have heard you. Thank you, sir. That thank you, sir, is for you to keep on sleeping so that I can advance my course. Allow me to perfect my mission. I need to carry it out. Why you said I did it to PM here? Let us go